I'm Amina Chaudhry, and I'm a graphic design student at NGCU. What appeals me the most in my surrounding and in any artwork is colors. And that's why Anatsui's piece between earth and heaven just amazed me the minute I saw it. From a distance, my eyes were experiencing the shimmery reflection of light. As I was walking close to it, I could see the astonishing details that you can't even figure out the very first time, because the distance makes a difference in understanding. Anatsui is well known for large-scale sculptures composed of thousands of folded and crumpled pieces of metal, sourced from local alcohol recycling stations, and bound together with copper wire. They are transformed into large metallic, cloth-like wall sculptures in a way that can draw connection between consumption, waste, and the environment. It is a shimmering textile-like tapestry made with aluminum, copper wire, and bottle caps. Anatsui's goal was to evoke the kinetic qualities of cloth in a different but more permanent medium. Between Earth and Heaven, created in 2006, refers to the West African tradition of stripe-woven textiles made by Akan and Ewe weavers in Ghana. These classical textiles are both monumental in scale and highly sculptural. With the gold, red, and black color scheme, the hanging looks as finely woven as silk, but there's no way that you can even find a single piece of fabric in it. The more interesting fact is that it is hard to figure out which side you start to look and where do you end. Look closer and you see that the whole glinting thing is pieced together from countless tiny parts. Anatsui calls them units. Pieces of colored metal, pinched and twisted into stripes, squares, and circles, and linked together with bits of copper wire. Closer still, very close, you can make out words printed on some of the metal scraps. This shows a connection between the art, the artist, the background, and the history. The bottle caps have strong reference to the history of Africa. Liquor had come to Africa with colonialism. Production of rum propelled the transatlantic slave trade. Tried to show that connection. If you look deeper, you can actually see all those layers from the very start. Who made those drinks? Who drank them? Who brought them? And who created this piece? And then the sculpture folds have a life of their own. Imagine the patience and time that was required to make this. I could just stand there and look at this piece all day. That's how much I was inspired.